When Adolf Hitler decided to invade and conquer Europe during the World Wars, he spent most of his time in fortified buildings in Berlin or in fortified bunkers in the Bavarian mountainside, surrounded by his generals and his most elite SS officers to protect him. Vladimir Putin, leader of the great Russian Empire, one of the biggest superpowers and military forces of modern day on Earth, spends his time either in the Kremlin, surrounded by his most elite KGB officers, secret police, and his generals, or in his multi-billion-dollar Golden Palace in Moscow, while the president of Ukraine, who was formerly a television actor and comedian and now president, has donned battle gear and with his army is standing on the front lines like a warrior fighting the invading Russian force. My question is, if Putin is this almighty warlord and ruler of the Russian Empire and unstoppable, why isn't he on the front lines of the Ukraine leading his troops? I'll just leave that right there and let it sink in for a few minutes.